Hello student, let's try to understand refraction of light through a glass prism student. That we have taken the triangular glass prism student. If you take a glass prism, you can see that it has two rectangular bases and three rectangular lateral surface inclined at the angle. This angle is called the angle of the prism. Let us look at the top view of the triangular prism with a ray of light entering it. So what are there, student? If you see, this is the ray, student, this is the PQ and it is falling up to E, so PE. This is called the incident rays, student, PE. Then EF, student, EF, this is called the refracted rays, student, and that is here is, student, FS is there, student. This is the emergent rays, right, student. Here you see, student, angle E, this is the angle of the prism, student. Okay, angle I, angle of incident, student, this angle is angle of incident. R, angle of refraction, student. So if you see the angle R, here is there, angle of refraction. Angle of emergent rays, E, this is the, we have to see, student, here in the diagram. This is the angle of refraction and this is the angle of emergent. Now angle of emergent, angle of deviation, that is going to be the D, student. This angle is angle of deviation. As per the Snell's law, light travel from the rarer to traveling from a rarer medium to denser medium, bend towards the normal and vice versa. Glass is the denser than air, and thus when a ray of light falls on the surface of the prism, it bends towards the normal according to the diagram. Ray PE falls on the surface of the prism and bend towards the normal NE. Then while moving from the glass to the air, the emergent rays FS bends away from the normal, student, because it is going denser from the rarer. Angle HDS, student, angle HDS. Let us see the angle. Where is the HDS, student? Let me erase this all the point. Then we will find here. This is the H, student. This is the D and this is H. This is HDS is the angle of deviation, which tells us how much the emergent rays has deviated from the incident rays. When the angle of the incident is equal to the emergent angle, the deviation angle is minimum. According to the figure, PEN equal to MES, student. So if you see PEN, this angle PEN equal to, it is MES, student. What is there? M, right, student? This is going to be E and this is S. MES. Okay, this one. MES. Now the next point, HDS is thus the angle of the minimum deviation refracted rays. EF is the parallel to the side BC in this case. This is how a ray of white light is scattered into 7 colors when passes through a prism. The different color of the light wave experience a different degree of deviation. Thus white light is split into its component when subjected to refraction. So that is what they are saying. This is how a ray of white light is scattered into 7 colors when it passed through the prism. The different colors of light waves experienced a different degree of deviation. Thus white light is split into the component of when subjected to refraction. Thank you very much for watching.